Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the Polygon wallet address from your Trust wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So currently right now I'm on the Trust wallet application right here on the home page. Now for me to get out the Polygon and for it to be on your home page just like as you can see in front of you, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the Manage Crypto button. Once you click on that, it will show you to manage all the cryptocurrencies that are available on your network. Now you can see a small button that says All Networks. Click on it, and then from here you can see every single different network that is connected to cryptocurrencies. So simply you're going to search right here for Polygon. And as you can see, Polygon is right here, which you're going to select. And then from here you can see all the Polygon cryptocurrencies and the wallet addresses for them. Once you enable it, you're going to go back, and as you can see, Polygon is right here. And for us to get the wallet address, all we have to do is simply click on Receive. And as you can see, this is currently our wallet address for Polygon from Trust Wallet. Click on Copy, and now you have it on your pasteboard where you can paste it on whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.